All right, so this is the Dreo Tower Fan, and I'm going to show you guys how to use this remote that came with it. First of all, you're going to need AAA batteries, of which we've already put them in there. So this thing's ready to go. And this is your on button right here. So you just press that, and it turns on. Right now it's on 8. That's the highest that it goes. But you can go down by pressing the minus sign. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you click it again, it goes right to 8. Okay, so let's go all the way down to 1. So that's the lowest. Now you can go up with when you click the positive. If you click the positive, it goes up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the highest it goes is 8. That's it. And if you look on there, you'll see there's a little fan there. Okay, so now if you want it to swivel, you can click this little swivel button. Watch this. And now it will move back and forth. And then depending on where you put it is going to give your swivel. So it went about to here. So it does about a 180 swivel. You follow me? So if I wanted to adjust it, I could just pick it up and move it a little bit so that I have more of a direction where it's pointed. And if you want to stop the swivel, you just press this again. But let's let it come back. And then I'm going to stop it right there so it's forward. Now if I go here, it's modes. Right now I've got it on blast, right? But we can put it on efficiency, and we can put it at nighttime. When you do nighttime, it doesn't make beeps. It turns off the sound. And then the next one you can go to is auto. It just does it automatically. But I think I like to leave it on super cool and just leave it right there. Now you can also do a timer, and this is what turns off the beeps. So when you see that, it won't make any beeps. And that's basically how you use this remote. And if you're done and you're not using it anymore, you can take the remote and you can just stick it in there like that. You follow me? So it'll just stay there. And when you're ready to go again, you just pull it out. Also, this is perfect for lifting up the fan and carrying it. So highly recommend using that. And so you don't lose your remote, just slide it in there like that. Leave it there, and then the next time you're going to use it, you just grab her, and bam, Bob's your uncle. And you need to turn the fan around and point it somewhere. There you go, bam. And you can just go ahead and turn her on and get to cooling the whole place down. So I would highly recommend this fan. Not only does it work well, but it's very aesthetic. I like it. It's got a good look to it. It's small, it's compact, and it blows. I mean, it really does blow. So highly recommend getting one of these. You get them right here on Amazon. Check out the link in the detail page. All right, peace out.